Hi, I'm Kabir Delarie, Vice President of the Crown Audit Group. Mental health is a cause we care greatly about at the Crown Audit Group. In any given year, 1 in 5 Canadians will be affected by mental illness. Even more so, every Canadian during their lifetime will know someone, a friend, family member, co-worker, who will be affected by mental illness. We all have a responsibility to end the stigma regarding mental health. And this year, we are proud to partner with the Mood Disorders Association Manitoba during Canadian Mental Health Week. For every vehicle we sell from May 7th to May 12th, we will be donating $25 towards the Mood Disorders Association Manitoba. In addition, for every tire repair we perform, it will be complimentary to all customers in exchange for a donation towards this great cause. Help us make a difference and end the stigma this year.